So when I give 9, what is the value of I? Oh, the value of I is 3. Why? Because it broke out when I was 3. When I was 3, it broke out. Correct? Right? Let's say, enter a number. If I say 10, when did it break out? It broke out when 10 mod 2 was equal to 0. Over there itself it broke out. I never went up till a further value. But when I say enter a number, when I say 5, it went up till 4. It went up till num minus 1. I went up till num minus 1. Okay. When I say enter a number, when I say 7, oh, it went up till num minus 1 again. It went up till 6. So what should I do? Yes, I need to check if I is equal to num minus 1. I can print. What can I print? It is a prime number. Right? It is a prime number. That's what I can do. F5, enter a number. Let me say 7, prime number. 13, prime number. 26, not a prime number, right? So this is how we check for different values whether it's a prime number using the break keyword. Okay, so this is about break. Let me say, after understanding break, but there is also one more thing which Python says. Python says you don't even require this. Python says even this is not required. Why? Because Python says, see, if it goes through the entire range of the for, see, Python says, okay, it goes from 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, let's say the number was 7. It will go up till 6. Then it will no longer be in this range. When it goes out of range, which means when the for condition becomes false, Python says, I'll give you an else for a for. Do whatever you want over here and finish it up. I just need to print over here that it's a prime number. So if I say 13, it will print. Why? Because it will go into the else after going through the entire range. It will come to a case when the range will become negative, when the range will become, the condition will become negative, and the for will become false. It will go into the else. But what about the other numbers? Let's say 10. If num mod 2, which means 10 mod 2, it was equal to 0, it printed not a prime, and it broke out of the entire for. It never got a chance to go into the else, right? So if I say enter a number 10, it will never go into the else. So this is about a prime number, and this is about how we can check if it's a prime number or a not prime number. So this is we saw about break, and we saw about how there can be an else for a for, there can be an else even for a while, which you can see.